What is going on, you guys? You're watching another episode of Black River Boys. So in today's video, we are going to be opening up our new ice shelter, new pop-up shelter that Dad bought. It's the Eskimo 450 XD. So it's like a 4 to 5 person, I believe, shelter insulated. We're going to be opening that up. Dad's working on some line, stringing up some line for some rods that he got. So we're gonna be ice fishing this weekend. Today is Wednesday, and we're just gonna get prepped and stuff like that. So we got the flipping box here for it. Ginormous. It's probably like 6'2", maybe more. Big old box. We're just gonna open it up in the garage, display it up. I want to see how big this freaking thing is. Goal is to obviously ice fish with it, but also do some like overnight camping on the ice in it. So that'll be really fun. Really want to do a video like that, but we're gonna open it up, see how big this sucker is, and then we'll see you out on the lake. All right, what's up, you guys? It is Saturday, February 12th. Yeah. February 12th. Out here with Hunter and Dad's right there, setting up the last tip up. We've had 2 flags so far. I did get a picture, I'll throw it up right now with Dad getting a northern, right? Northern. 2022?
Something like that.
That's like that's his first fish of the season. We got 8 tip ups out. And yeah, we were setting up the far 2 ones over there. And that first one went up right away, and Dad reeled it in, got a nice picture of it, and now we're just gonna be chilling. So tell us a little bit about this spot, Hunter.
We are fishing the Milwaukee River. It is kind of weird because you're only fishing in like 4 or 5 feet of water, so I mean your baits are only, you know, yay far down from your spool, but they're swimming through here. We got the dam way down, some guys are down on the dam, that's where we normally go. But we've seen guys catch fish down here, and obviously that's true because we've already had 2 flags in, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So off to a good start. We're hoping to run out of bait. That's the goal.
Hell yeah.
Wish us luck. You got the good luck here.
Got her?
God, you fucker. Oh, he's there.
Hell yeah.
You know, that's how you do it, fellas.
How does it feel, sir? If you can hold on to it. What's that little thing that you got there?
It's a jaw spreader.
Nice.
That's what keeps his mouth open.
I'll have to put like a disclaimer right before you do that for animal harm.
It's better than sitting there just ripping at his mouth.
True.
Yeah,
very
no,
nice.
20 incher, 22 incher. Now it's got like red fins.
Hey, look down there.
We just got one. We got 2 total. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, big one. That's why he wasn't freaking. Probably couldn't pull it.
Got another one.
This one's tiny. Okay. Give it a yank. Feel him? Yeah? Nope. He's still there. He's got it. Don't get it. He's heading Pull. Woo! Hell yeah.
First one of the day. Hell yeah.
First one ever?
First one ever, actually, too. But
Nice.
hell yeah. And then go back in.
Yep. It's real slowly, he'll kick. You can drop.
Hell yeah.
Nice job. So pick up the whole bar and just real lightly put the line in your hand. Yep, I'll put the line in your hand. Do you feel him? You can't.
No, I don't.
Just keep slowly going. He might be there yet.
So.
Look at that.
Really hollowed up and
All the cuts on him. He'll be fine.
All right, you guys, it is Sunday. We're out here fishing the same spot as we were last night. And we've had 6 flags go up. I caught one earlier, as you guys saw in the video, but we, like the last 3 we've had, we kind of missed out on them. They were running and freaking going away, and then we tried to reel them in, and one of them broke off, and 2 of them we just kind of missed out on. But been here for not very long, and we've had 6 flags go up. So
yeah, the one that broke off was probably about 37 inches. It was huge. Iced over, snapped the line. I think Hunter's had some bad line on there.
yeah, real big one.
Maybe.
But yeah, we got the new shelter out here, even though we haven't really sat in it because it's been insane. But gonna spend a couple hours out here and have a good rest of the day. So hope you guys enjoy this, because we certainly are. This is an episode of Cops. Sir, you need to slow down.
Sniped.
Damn.
Dirty.
Nice.
Dirty dog. Yeah. Well, just had flag number 8 go up. Went to go check it because it wasn't spinning, and there was no minnow on the end of it.
You put one on here.
So we are 1 for. Well, I stabbed that sucker. We're 1 for 8. Not doing too hot, but definitely getting a lot of action here. Look at that on purpose. Not spinning anymore? Oh, there it goes.
Get that bitch.
Another tip up. Right up front.
That one? Hi.
Jesus.
Finally, somebody catches one.
Hey, I got one!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't.
In a hole! She lost it.
Why do they keep snapping off the things?
Did it snap again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I think the GoPro shirt off. Oh, they come off?
2 with 13. I like those odds.
Stretch the tail 17.
Way to go. All right, you guys, so pretty much done here in Kewaskum on the Milwaukee River. Today we had 16 flags go up. I only got 2 fish. I got one that was 21 inches long, and Dad got one that ended up being 17, but it was a ton of fun out here. We did have, it all came in spurts. Like right when we got here, we had a ton of flags go up, and then a few other times when we had flags go up, it was like 1, 2 right away, and then a third one right away. But yeah, it was a ton of fun out here. Had a blast. First fish I've ever caught ice fishing. This being my first year out here, but had a ton of fun. And that's probably gonna wrap it up for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Got to set up the shelter. Had a ton of fun out here with Hunter, Savannah, my dad. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the last bit.
Oh, it's spinning. Oh. Come on. See there?
Try to give her a hug. Oh, he's on there.
Is he?
Yep. Got him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there he pops off.
Hell yeah. Woo!
Oh, yeah, baby. 25 and a half. Let's go. 25 without the stretch. Nice.
Woo! Let's go. Literally packing up. Fucking A. Let's go. Well, we're heading out now. Literally, as we're packing up, we had 2 flags go up. And how long was that one? 25? 25 and a half. So yeah, we missed out on a bunch of them, but had a ton of fun out here. We're packing it up. It's like 3:30-ish. So I've been out here since like maybe a touch after 11. So pretty good day. Had a ton of fun. Can't wait to go out again next. So stay tuned. Next week we're going up to Shoot Pond with Dom and Hunter here. So we're gonna have a ton of fun up there, and hopefully we can get on some more fish. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.